And our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday weekend. Saturday, May the 25th, 2024. Also Sunday, May the 26th, 2024. Here, let me show you. We have two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the medium Sudoku we have here, and also for tomorrow evening, the Samurai Sudoku. We have in this daily newspaper, in this puzzle page, the puzzle page of the Saturday edition, 6 extra puzzles. And those puzzles are the 2 stars Sudoku, 4 star Sudoku, killer Sudoku. We have here 2 binaries, one with 3 and one with 4 stars, and the tectonic. 4 of them, we have here 6. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Tomorrow afternoon we have an additional. Let me show you the additional. Of the weekend edition, 7 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars. We have a 3 stars, a 4 stars Sudoku, 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon, and in the evening, as I said earlier, the Samurai Sudoku. Alright, let me start with the regular medium Sudoku, 3 stars. And this one will be number 8596. 8596. Let me zoom this. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25 printed digits. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. That's my time limit. For 3 stars puzzle, if it's really a 3 stars, then I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Alright, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then, how about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, 9. Then we have a 9 here. Well, 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so the last column, there are only 2 places left, the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5. Okay. So we have a pair here. We have a 9 and a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. We have a 9 and a 5 in the middle row. So on the row above, the only two places left are a 9 and a 5. It goes in those two boxes as a pair, 9 and 5, 9 and 5. So what are the other two missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Oh, we made a mistake here. 9 and a 5. 1 and a 7. We already have a 7 here. And that, again. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. Here should be the 8. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Okay, the other two missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and 3 goes there. Two missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those again. There's a lot of pairs here. Lot of pairs. Alright. 1 and 8. We already have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. Overlooked. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 8, 8. 5, 5, 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 7 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. 5. Need 5 here. Yeah. Need to think. Come on. 7. 2, 7, and the 4. 4 in this column. 4 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for 4, a should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 in the second column, no 4 there. The only place left for 4, a should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between. Only 3 places left for 4 should be here, here, or there. We have 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 in the column next, no 4 there. The only place left for 4, a should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 4. Alright, now we have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the 5. We have a 9 now in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright. Well. Do we have all the 9s? Yeah. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. 7. 7. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. Come on. 3 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 167. 167. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7. 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Two numbers left in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Let me mark those. These 3 missing numbers in this big square. Numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1, 5. And 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 3 missing numbers? 1 is missing. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. We have a 1 here. 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. Okay. 7, 8, 3. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. We have a 7 here, so 2 and a 3. 2, 3, 7. Well. Where's the opening? The opening. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column. So the first column, the only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the row between. The only place left, the 5 should be here. So the 1 and the 6 are left. 1 and 6, we have a 1 in last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes in there. Alright, 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright, so the 2 and 8 are left, 2 and 8, 2 and 7. Okay. Yeah, I need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Okay. I need a 6 in this big square. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this column. Here we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6, 6, okay, and the 6, okay. So 2 and 8. That means that this box cannot be 2. We have a pair, the 2 and a 3. 2 and 8. So this box should be a 3 then. I've marked this box with 2 or a 3. Should be a 3, so 1 is left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 now in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left 8 should be there. 8 in the 3, we have 8 in the first column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 6, 2 and 6, we have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Do we have a pair? No. We have 2 numbers left in this third column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, and the again. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in the second column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1 is missing, and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Cannot fill this yet. Well. How about these 2 missing numbers in the last column? We have a 3 here, so the 2 and the 7 are left. 2 and the 7. Okay, the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, The 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So the row between, the only place level 6 should be here. So the other two numbers should be the 1 and the 7. 1 and 7. We have 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be in the 7 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be in the 2 goes there. 7 and 8, we have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be in the 7 goes there. 2 and 8, we have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be in the 2 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be in the 2 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Well. Yeah, definitely a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1-star puzzle. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye-bye for now.